that's not the message of this channel. Caught on camera. So, reached the peak of Rabi trail. Pretty decent climb today. Took us maybe an hour and a half, 2 at the max. Yeah, I mean, stopping and filming and taking in the views, I think that takes some time as well, so you need to factor that in. It was very, very cool trail. We saw a few people who'd set up camp. Some pretty epic spaces. They got to see the sunrise. Unlike us, we really had to bust our asses early morning, fight sleep while driving, and then hike and get here. So something for next time. I think next time we'll probably look at maybe camping overnight. Saves us the hassle of waking up early morning. There's a pretty epic beach down there. That's the secret beach. It's supposed to be prohibited, but that's a place that eventually one day we make our way down there. Night goggles on. We get to go there one day. I don't know if you can see it, it's in the background. There's a little stretch. It's got some blue water. I can see some reef as well, so maybe decent sea life. Something to definitely check out next time. But no, pretty cool place. I think we'll probably start heading back down now. Grab some breakfast on the way. I don't know. And see where that goes. It's about 9 o'clock. Starting to get hot, the usual. But no, pretty cool day. Pretty cool shots on the drone as well. Let's see how that turns out. Alright, catch you in a bit.
This is the end, huh?
Yeah, that's the finale.
You're not even sweating.
You know, we spent quite a lot of time out there.
Yeah, we were, trust me, we were.
We were sweating like dogs when we arrived. How is the off-trail tail experience? Come on, man. Like, tell me which paid adventure gets you an orange juice, and an omelette, and a sandwich, and a trail on those mountains for nothing.
For nothing. The best things in life are free.
Exactly.
And you know what? About 45 minutes ago, I was glowing and wasn't particularly happy with the off-trail tail experience or the owner.
Okay.
But now that I've had time to reflect and I've been looked after,
Wined and dined.
it was outstanding. Like, we got there really good time, maybe 20 minutes a little bit earlier, so we could have reached the top or nearer the top at sunrise. But you know, it was really cool. It's really cool to see how things happen, go behind the scenes
and do some shooting yourself.
Yeah, hopefully we got some good stuff. Get back home and go through some of the footage, send it over, and then leave it to your magical powers
God.
to edit with some dramatic music. But yeah, it was awesome.
He's being super nice, but fun fact, this gentleman has acted in a Hollywood movie. Yeah, that's his reaction. We won't get in the details just yet, but he is a Hollywood star.
That was all acting then.
Yeah, I
What
mean,
I just did.
yeah. Great movie, must watch, called Hot Gold. I haven't watched it myself, but I highly recommend all of you to watch this movie. It's called Hot Gold. When was it released? Which year?
98.
1998, folks. For those who weren't born before that, forget it.
Straight to DVD.
Yeah, DVD, Blu-ray. It's out on Blu-ray. So anyways, I mean, that was it for the day. We had an awesome experience. Thank you to James. He was an amazing companion, and I think we're going to get some good shots in the editing scene. Let's see how that goes.
Yeah.
And yeah, what do you say at the end of the video, James? What do you say? How do you say goodbye?
I mean, there's the hand. There's the peace out. Walk
There's the
off
peace
camera.
out. Okay. Oh, can we just say like comment, like, and subscribe?
Yeah, do that. Like, we put a lot of effort into this. This man puts a lot of effort into it. It means a lot. We're passionate about this as well.
Yeah.
And I believe the content is really, really good. I'm happy to be a little part of his project.
Yeah, hopefully we get to do more of these things. The weather's getting better, and let's see.
Definitely, I'm in.
Hand touch, sanitize. See you next time.
Like, okay, self-explanatory. But that.
Oh, that's not a Western commode.
And what do you do up the ladder?
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay. You gotta go.